to which four layers of the OC model with the ACI concepts of contracts, graphs, and ANS be associated? Choose a 4. Option A. Data link. Option B. Transport. Option C. Presentation. Option D. Application. Option E. Session. Option F. Network. Option G. Physical. The correct answer is option B, C, D, E. Which two options describe functions of the Council of Oracles protocol? Choose 2. Option A. CUPE updates the address of all hosts that are attached to the ACI fabric. Option B. CUPE enables APIC mapping, VMM mapping, DHCP forwarding, ARP/GUP learning and data plane learning. Option C. CUPE ensures all spine nodes maintain a consistent copy of endpoint addresses. Option D. CUPE maintains the distributed hash table repository of endpoint identity to location mappings. The correct answer is option C, D. Which REST operations are supported in the ACI fabric? Option A. Post, get, delete. Option B. Filter, post, get. Option C. Label, filter, post. Option D. Get, label, filter. The correct answer is option A.